Hey there, it's time to get you prepared for essay number one. This first essay is going to be a timed essay. And so in this class, you're going to write two timed essays. It's a part of the course outline. And the key to timed writing is being prepared before you sit down to write. In fact, it's one of the keys to all good writing is making sure you're prepared to write when you sit down in front of the computer and you're not just, brainstorming when you sit down. So let's make sure you're prepared to write. And how do we get prepared? Well, you want to go through all the steps. That's going to be doing all the reading journals, in particular, doing a couple journals on each chapter from the sociology textbook. You're also going to want to read those three primary sources from famous sociologists who have written about kind of what they feel about sociology. And so all those sources will help you kind of figure out what is sociology. And ultimately, in this essay, you're going to have to explain how it's useful to you. Um, all right, so I think the key here is to just get started and doing the activities. You both will read and journal, and kind of as you kind of learn more about what sociology is, and then you'll go to the discussions and talk a little bit about it. You'll introduce yourself to the class first. That's in the first unit, and then the next two discussions are really devoted to helping you kind of think about sociology a little bit and what it means to you. So you'll do two more discussions, and then use the course calendar to help you see the window. And you have usually like a 48, 72-hour period where you can take the timed exam anytime. So you just make sure that you're ready before you click to begin, and all should be good and well. So let's get started and make sure you do all the activities and you feel confident and prepared before you click to start. Okay? All right, take care.